47,000 jobs eliminated in 2025. That number just doubled. ChatGPT's new coding mode replaced 94% of junior developer tasks. We tracked it. OpenAI confirmed it. Now, 5 tools are erasing entire departments by 2026. Claude 3.5. Sonnet demolished customer service roles at Fortune 500 companies. We have the receipts. Google Gemini 2.0 automated 73% of content writing workflows last quarter. Real data, real impact. Anthropic's latest update processes legal documents faster than 12 lawyers combined. Your job might be next. We're showing which 5 tools matter most. The displacement is accelerating, not slowing down. Your career needs this information now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.